Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to discuss 3 items that you should focus on with your business when you're starting out, or even when you're in your business, adding employees, customers, everything in that retrospect. These things, if you focus on these, you'll set your business up for success. Tip number 1, building your reputation. Some people think building a reputation is getting as many customers as possible, building out a reputation that way, but it's so much more than that. You have multiple barriers you have to break through. Just because of how many shady contractors that are out there, you have to set yourself apart to build a reputable, honest company that puts customers first. To have it actually resonate, you then need to have those customers that you do exceptional work on go online and start leaving reviews on review sites. So like Google, Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau are just some of the few that people can go on and view online. Other companies can request reviews through the website, but you have to kind of watch out for that, because if a company is showing reviews on the website that can't be traced back to, like I said, Google, Angie's, or these other third-party sites, then more than likely they're screening out the bad. So that's why we push strictly for other third-party sites where people can leave honest opinions. Tip number 2, foster a positive environment for your employees. One thing that really set us apart is we came up with core values. So we went through a list with our leadership team and figured out what makes us a great company, what values do we have as individuals and people that we also want to have with other people that work with us. That's how we hire, we fire, we promote through those core values. And like I said, getting like-minded people with the same mindset of what the project's supposed to be like, how to treat people, all into one package where you don't have to train that into somebody right out of the gate. Tip number 3, focus on customer education. Believe it or not, customers can find disinformation all over the website. I know a while back we were struggling with pricing. So like Home Advisor would put out like a price of foundation repair costs, and it's significantly lower than an actual cost to repair your home's foundation. I think their national average was like $7,000 to $9,000. Our average for last year was just under $29,000 for an average project. So what we did is we started creating a resource library on a website where we talked about pricing, how to estimate pricing, things of that nature that educate the customer as well as our employees. It helps a lot to bring in new hires. We have a training library that we put together. If you're starting out and you haven't yet, pick up your cell phone and start recording your day-to-day stuff. Don't worry about people stealing it in your trades or whatever. Who gives a shit? They all know it anyway. Everybody knows it. If they don't know it, they should know it, because then you're going to help the industry as a whole to put out a better product and get rid of that stigma of just shady, bad contractors. This is Brian signing off and reminding you to never settle for a shady contractor.